Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing rear Rancho shock upgrades on this 2014 Ram 1500. This currently has the stock rear shocks and we are going to be replacing them with these Rancho shocks. And the cool thing about these are we can actually adjust how you want the ride to be. We have all the way to soft to all the way to firm. Okay guys, so we are going to first start off with removing this cover over here because this will give us a better access to our shock when it connects on the top. And then once we have that removed, then we have two bolts, one down over here and then one on the top. Okay, so we have the wheel well cover removed and now we have clear access to our bolts on the top. So the bolt on the top and the bottom is in a size 21. And then the other thing is you will also have to use a wrench on the other side to hold in the bolt while you remove the nut. So this was the older one right over here. As you can see, once it's like fully pressed in, it doesn't come out. And then these are the new Rancho shocks, which are going in. So we're all done with the installation. Now we're gonna install the wheel well cover back on. And then after that, we're just gonna put the wheel back on and we're good to go. Okay guys, so we are all done with the rear installation and then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. And once again, we are located locally in the Dallas area. So if you have any type of vehicle, any make, any model that needs any type of work done, key programming, electrical work, mechanical work, just feel free to call me at 469-714-7669. We do have 35 years of experience working on all makes and models. And please do like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.